ChatGPT just dropped a new app called Codex. Just like we don't have enough apps yet, and just like it doesn't exist Codex CLI. What is that and how to use it? Let's take a look. Just for references, let's have a quick tour on what we have right now. This is ChatGPT web version. This is ChatGPT desktop application. Here is ChatGPT app called Codex, made for CLI. Here is Claude web version. Now Claude desktop app version. Here is Claude CLI version. And finally, please welcome Codex, another app version for desktop. Like, how many more apps do we need to be happy and be productive? I don't know really, and if this one going to solve your issues, problems, I still also don't know. Show you what ChatGPT writes itself regarding this app. Codex app, a command center for agents. Since we launched Codex in April 25, the way developers work with agents has fundamentally changed. Models are now capable for handling complex long-running tasks end-to-end, and developers are now orchestrating multiple agents across projects, delegating work, running tasks in parallel, and trusting agents to take in substantial projects that can span hours, days, or weeks. The core challenge has shifted from what agents can do to how people can direct, supervise, and collaborate with them at scale. Existing IDEs and terminal-based tools are not built to support this way of working. As of February 7th, Codex with ChatGPT Free and Go available with rate limits on Plus, Pro, and Business. It means that you can play around if you don't have paid subscriptions. And I want to show you what you can do. First of all, if you just open it, first proposal which you will get would be create a game. It just first which asks you. And I don't hesitate to try it. And first, classic snake game. It was built pretty quickly, and let me show you final result. This is our snake which we got, built by ChatGPT. If you just start a new thread, you will see some possible options, like build a classic snake, and that's what I took. As for the app itself, we have a couple of options here. First of all, you can create a new thread. We have some default automations, like you can ask for recent commits, you can ask for summarizing some of your activities from previous work, previous day, and of course you have bunch of skills available out of the box. I had another request for ChatGPT: create pacman game with GPT icons. It's Pac-Man-like game where the main character is ChatGPT and he's eating money, and other characters like Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek. You know what happened? Well, we got the game. Remember I showed you the first snake? And here is a Pac-Man. So that's how it looked like. Now we can eat the money, we can run away from our competitors and play like that. First version of the game was available in like less than 5 minutes, but it had some bugs. As you can see here, we have some scores, we have some best scoring, we have score history, and we have pause and reset, anything like that. And it was done relatively easy and quick. Main idea is to run in threads, meaning executing operations in parallel in the same time. Each thread is a separate folder, and inside the folder you can have a couple of requests in the same time. Also, there are tons of settings which you can use, like MCP servers, the same MCP servers, which will be useful for you as well. As I said at the beginning, right now it is free to use, so don't hesitate, just download and use it, but it will be like 10th or 15th app you already installed to increase your productivity, but is it really increasing? That's a question to answer for you.